To view full online course, Advanced Excel for Civil Engineers, follow the link given in the description below. Hi. Welcome back. Let us study what-if analysis with some civil engineering problem. This is a portion of calculation for base pressure under foundation. This is length of foundation. This is width. This is vertical load. Let us consider only one moment for the illustration purpose, because biaxial moment calculation is treated in some other way. So, in this case, consider only my moment of 250. Eccentricity is calculated based on vertical load and moment. Eccentricity in x direction is 1.25, and in y direction it is 0. Make these eccentricities to be in positive quadrant. Here the moment of inertia is calculated in both the directions. This is the equation to find out the pressure intensity at a point below foundations with eccentric loads. Here the table showing the pressure intensities at four corners. You can see, for a given set of loading and geometry of the foundation, corner A and B are subjected to negative pressures. Now, our goal is to make these pressures zero. So how to do it? Three ways we can do it. First, by changing the length of foundation. Second is by changing the vertical load. And third, by changing the moment value. Suppose I want to keep the loading as it is. So, I need to change the length. Either you can try changing it manually or use goal seek command. I prefer goal seek command. Go to Data tab. Look for what if analysis. Click on goal seek. Set a cell where you want the result, or want to change the value. Here, the value you need to set. In our case, we want it to be 0. So, put 0 here. And here, refer a cell value which you want to alter. This means, our goal is to find out the length of foundation for which the pressures at corner A and B are 0. Click OK. So, for this value of length pressure will be 0. Means there will not be any uplift in foundation. Undo the change. Now, suppose we want to change the vertical load to achieve this goal. Try goal seek for vertical load. For this much vertical load, pressure will be 0 at the corners. Similarly, we will check for how much moment this foundation size is safe. Try goal seek for my. So, this much moment will be safe to keep the whole foundation under pressure. In this way we can use goal seek analysis in the calculations. There is a shortcut key for goal seek analysis. Press Alt, T and then G. Let us give a try. Perfect. Thanks for watching.